I am Trifina Delight. My register number is UR15CS061. Here I am doing a program on networking, that exercise number 2. This is basic LAN configuration. This is the topology for the basic LAN configuration. Here I am giving one router that is connected to two switches. Each switch is connected to the end devices, one PC and two laptops. Here also one PC, one laptop and one server, and the two interfaces are int A 0/0 and here FA 1/0. Now I am assigning the IP address for PC, and the IP address is 192.168.10.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.10.5. Then I am assigning an IP address for laptop, and the IP address is 192.168.10.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.10.5. and I am assigning the IP address for next laptop. The IP address is 192.168.10.3 250 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.10.5. This is for CS LAN and this is for EC LAN. The network address for CS LAN is 192.168.10.0 and for EC LAN is 192.168.20.0. And here for the laptop I am assigning the IP address is 192.168.20.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.20.5. Then I am assigning for laptop. The IP address is 192.168.20.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.20.5. Here I am configuring the router. First I am giving router EN, that is for enable, and then router /config t and the interface is int FA 0/0 and the IP address is 192.168.10.5 that is default address and 255.255.255.0 is subnet mask. Then I am giving no shutdown. Then I am assigning for CSC LAN int FA 1/0 and an IP address is 192.168.20.5 and 255.255.255.0 is a subnet mask and then no shutdown. Then I am close this. This is the basic LAN configuration. Now I am doing HTTP, DNS and DHCP configuration. Here I'm this is the topology for that configuration. Here I'm giving one router and then a router is connected to two switches and each switch is connected to end devices. This switch number 0 is connected to server and PC and laptop. Switch 1 is connected to PC, laptop and server. Here also I'm giving the IP address that is 192.168.20.1 10.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Same here also I am assigning the IP address for laptop. IP address is 192.168.10.3 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.10.5 and the DNS server is 192.168.10.1. And for the switch 1 I am giving the IP address for PCs, IP address is 192.168.20.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.20.5 and the DNS server is 192.168.10.1. And for the laptop, the IP address is 192.168.20.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.20.5 and the DNS server is 192.168.10.1, that is default. And now I am config the router. First I am giving en for enable, then router config space t. First I am giving int fa 0/0 and IP address is 192.168.10.5 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, then no shutdown. And for the second interface, int fa 1/0, IP address is 192.168.20.5, 255.255.255.0, then no shutdown command. Now I am going to server, then I am clicked on services. First I have to check the HTTP is on, then I am going to DNS. Here I am giving the addresses www.networking.edu and the address is 192.168.20.1. Then I add the record. Here it is successfully added. Then I am switch on the DNS. Here I am checking the DGH. Now I am clicking on DHCP. This is successfully configured. Thank you.